Foodies, welcome to the channel. Today we're not wasting any time. We're getting straight into the video. We're going to be making some jerk chicken wings. We start with about 6 wings and we're adding a tablespoon of jerk marinade. We're also going to be adding in some green seasoning, and the green seasoning contains all of the onion, scallion, garlic and thyme. We're also going to be adding some hot pepper sauce. You want to use a generous portion of hot pepper sauce just to coat the chicken. We're also going to be using some powdered seasoning, and for the powdered seasoning we're using some Old Bay seasoning, and then we're going to toss all of this. Alright guys, this is finished. We're going to let this marinate in the fridge for about 2 hours, then we're going to place it on the grill. Okay, now that the chicken has been marinated for 1 hour, we're now going to place it on the grill. And we're placing 6 jerk chicken wings on the grill. We're going to cook them 10 minutes each on both sides, and then we're going to take it off and we'll be good to go. 10 minutes just passed, so we're turning them over one by one, very easy. And next 10 minutes pass, so we go take them off the fire and plate it up so you see what the finished product looks like. Okay foodies, and this is what the finished product looks like. Jerk chicken wings. We only use a few ingredients. Remember to subscribe to the channel.